Thomas and again.
Thomas and the jet engine? Okay, could you stop? Let's see it up close. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right.
Can I see?
Not yet. You gotta tell me about it. What's going on in this episode? This is MJ. Hello.
Can I see?
See? I'm recording you. Tell me about the DVD.
Because it's Thomas blasting.
Yeah? Is he blasting?
And he passed one of his hands. Rosie and James.
Yeah? So we got Rosie and James and Thomas on the DVD. Are there any other trains on there?
No.
No? There's no Gordon or Sir Topham Hatt?
Yes, Gordon and Sir Topham Hatt.
Yeah? Which is your favorite episode?
Sir Topham Hatt.
Okay. You want me to stop filming you?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.